Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Chris for American English Online. Today we're talking about some vitamins and how they affect your body, and also what kind of foods you can find them in. Vitamins and minerals are an extremely important part of your daily food intake. Today we're talking only about vitamins. And then in another video, we'll talk about minerals. Vitamins are divided into two categories: water-soluble and fat-soluble. Water-soluble vitamins are all of the B vitamins and vitamin C. Water-soluble vitamins are expelled from your body after you've gotten enough. Fat-soluble vitamins are stored in your liver and fatty tissues as reserves. All of the B vitamins have something in common. All of them are used to help convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into energy. But some of the B vitamins have other uses as well. Let's start with vitamin B1. It's also called thiamine or thiamine. Thiamine is really important because it plays an important role in muscle contraction and also in the conduction of nerve signals to your brain and throughout your body. You can find thiamine in ham, soy milk, watermelon, and acorn squash. Vitamin B2 is also called riboflavin. Riboflavin helps keep your skin, your eyes, and your nervous system healthy. But it's especially important because it helps your body transport oxygen and use oxygen more effectively. It can be found in milk, yogurt, cheese, and whole grains and cereals. Remember, the foods that I'm telling you are only the highest concentration food sources, but lots of these vitamins can be found in many different foods. Vitamin B3 is also called niacin. Niacin is important because it helps produce some important hormones in your adrenal glands, and it helps remove harmful chemicals from your liver. You can find niacin in foods like meat, poultry, fish, whole grains, mushrooms, and potatoes. Vitamin B5 is also called pantothenic acid. B5 is important because it helps produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen, and it's important for a healthy digestive tract. It's also important because it helps make certain sex and stress-related hormones. You can find vitamin B5 in chicken, whole grains, broccoli, avocado, and mushrooms. Vitamin B6 is also super important. It helps produce hemoglobin, but also aids in brain development. It helps produce the chemicals serotonin, norepinephrine, and melatonin. You can find it in chicken, fish, and poultry, also in legumes, or in soy or soy products like tofu, and in bananas. Vitamin B7 is called biotin. It helps the body process glucose, but more importantly, it helps keep your skin, your nails, and your hair healthy. You may recognize the word biotin from some cosmetic products or beauty products. It's also important to help maintain healthy psychological function. You can find it in whole grains, eggs, soybeans, and fish. Vitamin B9 is also called folic acid or folate. It's super important, especially in early development and pregnancy. It aids in the production of DNA and RNA. So it's super important in the development of brain function and emotional and mental health. It works with other vitamins to help the body use iron correctly and to help control levels of a harmful amino acid that causes heart disease. You can find folic acid in fortified grains, broccoli, spinach, asparagus, legumes, and orange juice. Vitamin B12, well, I have 10 fingers, but B12 is very similar to B9. It has similar properties and they work together. But B12 also helps prevent anemia. You can find it in meat, fish, poultry, milk, and cheese. Vitamin C is important because it helps prevent immune system deficiencies, some prenatal health problems, eye disease, heart disease, and a lot of other problems. You can find vitamin C in citrus fruits, broccoli, spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Now let's talk about some fat-soluble vitamins. The first is vitamin A. One kind of vitamin A is called beta-carotene. Vitamin A is important for healthy vision, a healthy immune system, and reproduction. It's also important to help keep your lungs and your kidneys functioning properly. You can find vitamin A in beef, liver, sweet potatoes, mangoes, spinach, carrots, eggs, and pumpkins. Our next one is vitamin D. Vitamin D is super important because it promotes bone growth. It helps absorb calcium, and a vitamin D deficiency can lead to many health problems, especially problems with bone density. It's especially found in fortified milk, cereals, and fatty fish. Our next one is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant. An antioxidant combats free radicals. So antioxidants help promote good heart health, they slow the aging process, and they prevent degenerative diseases. And that's why some people drink a little bit of olive oil every day. Vitamin E can be found in vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, and nuts. And our last vitamin is vitamin K. Vitamin K is the main agent responsible for blood clotting so that you don't bleed too much. Also, vitamin K is used in some creams for skin treatment. It can be found mostly in cabbage, eggs, broccoli, spinach, and kale. Those are the vitamins that we eat every day, both fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. Did you already know the names of those vitamins? Did you know how to pronounce them? Do you take vitamin supplements, or do you get your vitamins in a balanced and healthy diet? Leave me a comment. Tell me how you take your vitamins and if you already knew those. Also, we're going to make a video about minerals, and I'll link it here when we do. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification icon so you don't miss the next videos. Like the video, tell your friends, and as always, let's practice. About what are we talking about? We're talking about vitamins, of course. How they affect your body. Let's start with vitamin B1 and not spit. Vitamin B9 is stops the prevents. I keep saying promotes. Those are the videos. Those are the videos.